So how does the budget 2021 affect you as a UK landlord? Go check out this video as we go through all of the details.
Hello, I'm Louise Misiewicz.
And I'm Simon Misiewicz from Optimise Accountants. We're here to help you grow your wealth whilst reduce your tax liability.
If you want to know more about the details we're about to share, then you can check that out in lots of detail by clicking on the URL either just above this page or just below.
All right, so let's start with the stamp duty land tax holiday. This is the worst kept secret that Rishi Sunak had announced. Rishi Sunak had introduced the 0% SDLT charge on residential properties below £500,000 during the pandemic. Now, what he has done is extended that from the 1st of April all the way now till the 30th of June 2021.
But not only that, he's extending it further, but he's slowly tapering back down to the original rate. So for the period between the 1st of July 2021 and up to and including the 30th of September 2021, if you purchase a residential property, you won't pay stamp duty land tax on it as long as the purchase price is less than £250,000. Then, from the 1st of October this year, you'll basically, when you buy, end up paying stamp duty land tax at the original value. In other words, anything above £125,000. But keep in mind, these changes only apply to properties in Northern Ireland and England because Wales and Scotland are doing something different to this.
All right, so now we focus on capital gains tax. And we know for a while that there's this hoo-ha in the media talking about how capital gains tax changes will be imminent. No, that wasn't the case. Rishi Sunak introduced the concept of keeping everything the status quo. So there has been no changes to capital gains tax currently.
However, we do know that Rishi has been commissioning the Office of Tax Simplification to look at capital gains tax. So hold on to your hats, because something could be changing and it could come to us as soon as September when potentially Rishi rolls out his next budget.
And now we have to come to income tax. What has changed there? Well, Rishi Sunak hasn't exactly been generous, but I'm not surprised given the amount of support he has given to employers, employees, and indeed business owners. So we've had a slight improvement to income tax, but not a great deal. Now, if you are a UK landlord, which I expect you are, bearing in mind you're watching this video, then you will know the impact of Section 24 mortgage interest relief cap. There is a video on this, which the URL will be appearing above our heads right now and below this video description. It basically means that the mortgage interest cost will be not taken into account when you come to your profit. So before the Section 24 was introduced in 16 and 17, you may have had a profit of £3,000, as you can see on the screen. But now Section 24 is coming to full effect. You can see that there's a paper profit here of £26,000, which income tax will be based. You do have a 20% tax credit for the mortgage interest cost, but please do watch that video for more details. Corporation tax, well, again, bit of a boring budget really in regards to corporation tax because there's been no change.
But there has been a change, and that change kicks in, of course, only once your profit exceeds £50,000. So we know already that between a £50,000 and £250,000 profit, there's going to be some form of taper between the new corporation tax rate, which I'm going to mention in a moment, and the current 19%. Yet to see more detail on that. The moment, however, your profit exceeds £250,000, well, the corporation tax rate jumps, and it jumps to 25%. That's a 6% increase compared to what we're paying now. Now, this doesn't roll out, of course, till the 23-24 season, but it's coming, and it's coming pretty soon.
So hopefully you found this useful. If so, please do give it a like. And don't forget, if you have a question, make sure that you drop us a comment so that we can answer that as soon as we can. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified every time we release a new video. Until next time.
That's it from me, Louise Misiewicz. Thank you.
And that's it from me, Simon Misiewicz. See you all again soon.